Hey guys, so for today's video, I am super excited because I got to play with the new Natasha Denona I Need a Nude eyeshadow palette. This palette just launched and it's now available at Sephora and on Natasha Denona's website. So if you want to see how I got this glam smoky eye, go ahead and keep on watching. I am so excited to put this palette on my eyeballs today. I think before I get started, I want to swatch some of these shimmer shades, and I believe there's a new wet formula in here as well, so I want to see what kind of shades I'm working with. Alright, here are some of the shimmery shades swatched out. They definitely are nude. They don't really lean too cool or too warm. They are pretty neutral. This is Whisper, Ella, Delilah, Muse, which I'm really loving right now. This deeper one is Filigree. And then we have Sheen and Mia, which are showing up very, very light. They're definitely more kind of like a topper shade. I already primed my eyes with the Urban Decay Primer Potion. I'm going to start with the shade Stone on a Sigma E25. And this shade's going to go throughout my entire crease. So whenever I'm working with Natasha's shadows, especially the matte shades, I always like to start with some kind of pressing motion and then a blending motion. And I did dip back into that shade a few times just to build it up. And now once I have all this shade packed down, I'm going to do more of a back and forth blending motion. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Fair. I love when a palette has a light shade like this because I like to use it to blend out the edges to give myself a really smooth looking blend. Now I'm going to pick up Tender, and I'm going to use this to define and deepen up the crease even more. I'm also going to take that Tender shade on the flat side of this brush and start to lightly pack that on the outer third of my eye. As always, these Natasha Denona mattes are applying and blending out beautifully. Now I'm going to take a Sigma E57 in the shade Muse. I would use my finger, but I can't really pick up shadow with nails on. I'm going to try this shadow dry at first, and it does seem kind of like one of those crumbly shimmer formulas. It's going to go on the inner part of my lid. Okay, although I didn't want to, I'm going to try my finger. Much better. Wow, oh my gosh. Okay, definitely use your fingers to apply this kind of shade. I'm gonna go back to my E25 and just softly blend around that shimmer right here in the inner crease. Now I'm going to take Silhouette on a Sigma E27. So I have that right on the tip of the brush, and I'm going to use that to deepen up the outer part of my eye even more. I love that she put a super deep matte, dark brown, it's like almost black shade in this palette, because it's perfect for deepening up the look or even doing like a little shadow liner. I went ahead and did my face makeup off camera, and now let's finish up the lower lash line. I'm going to go back to the Tender shade on a BK Beauty 207, and I'm going to run that across my entire lower lash line. And I always like to connect my lower lash line to my outer corner right out here. Then I'm going to go back to Stone, and I'm just going to use that to soften the lower lash line. Now I'm going to pick up Silhouette, and that's going to go on the outer part of my lower lash line to kind of match the upper lid. Now I'm going to pick up Whisper on a Sigma E30 pencil brush, and that's going to go in my inner corner. And a little bit under my brow. I'm gonna go pop on some mascara and lashes, then I'll show you the full face. I went ahead and finished up the eyes. I popped on my mascara and lashes. I also added a little bit of a black waterline to my tight line and just my lash line. And then for my lashes, I'm wearing the Bright Lashes All Natural. This is my lash brand. And I did want to mention that we're doing a buy one, get one half off back to school sale right now for my lashes. So until I believe Sunday the 20th, if you buy one lash, you can get another lash half off, and you can buy as many lashes as you need with that discount. I don't do discounts very often, so if you're interested in trying my lashes, now is a great time to do so. All right, and here's what the full face looks like. I feel so glam right now. I feel so pretty with my new pink hair. I love it. In case you're wondering, on my cheeks, I'm wearing the Essence Pure Nude Baked Blush in Pink Flesh. And then on my lips, I'm wearing the Charlotte Tilbury lip liner in Iconic Nude with the new Lawless Forget the Filler lipstick in the shade Wedding Day. I absolutely love how these eyes turned out. It is so smoky, so sexy, and that shimmer shade on my lid, what is it called? Muse? Oh, it's everything. All the shades I used today applied beautifully, they blended beautifully, they look amazing on my eyes. I definitely stuck with more of the slightly cool tone shades, so I used Stone, Silhouette, Tender, and then Muse right here, and then Whisper. But I definitely want to do another look using probably like Wit and Vague together for kind of more of that little bit of peachiness in there. I didn't get a chance to use Sheen or Mia today. These two shades do seem like they are more of like a sheer wash of eyeshadow. But so far, I'm super happy with the palette, and I can't wait to play around with this some more. If there's a specific color combo you want to see, please let me know and I'd be happy to do it for you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.